The ViaTerra waterproof handlebar bag has a clean, compact design, but getting there wasn't easy. Here are 3 key design challenges we had to solve to create this handy waterproof storage solution for your daily rides. Most waterproof bags use a zipper garage, a small flap that covers the end of the zipper to keep water out. But due to the compact size of our bag and the technical limits of ultrasonic welding, this wasn't an option for us. But perseverance and research paid off, and we were able to achieve this by using a special waterproof zipper that comes with a distinct U-shaped end. This allows the zipper to be fully closed without any gap, reducing the chances of water ingress. Several bags feature cable pull-throughs, but we had to ensure ours didn't compromise waterproofing. While the overlapping flap keeps the water out, we also added these small U-cuts within the window design to reduce the stress on the corners and significantly improve durability. This bag uses the same trusted universal mounting system as our original handlebar trail pack. 4 Velcro straps loop through the molly slots, allowing you to adjust for the best fit. For added stability, 2 D-rings on the top corners, one on each side, pair with small Velcro straps that can be looped around your rear view mirrors. These straps have semicircular notches to keep them in place even when the bag is off the bike. To find out more about the ViaTerra waterproof handlebar bag, visit viaterragear.com.